Good morning, my name is Tiara Virginia with student register number 22014-20157. In this video, I want to share about the dynamics of Western culture and Eastern culture, why Western and Eastern culture are often compared and contrasted, and also what are the main philosophies of both cultures and how they harmonize Eastern and Western cultures. So, the dynamics of Western and Eastern culture are significant in shaping global society. Western culture, rooted in ancient Greece and Rome, emphasized progress, individualism, and innovation, while Eastern culture, with its rich heritage in countries like Korea, India, China, or Japan, values harmony, respect for elders, and the interconnectedness of all things. These cultures have influenced each other through trade, colonization, and cultural exchange. Western cultures have adopted Eastern philosophies like yoga and meditation, while Eastern cultures have embraced Western technology and governance systems. However, there are distinctive differences between the two cultures. Western cultures and individualism can sometimes clash with Eastern cultures' emphasis on collective harmony, while Eastern values of contentment and spiritual fulfillment might contrast. These divergences shouldn't be seen as conflicts but as opportunities for mutual understanding and growth. In a rapidly globalizing world, it is essential to appreciate and respect the richness of both Western and Eastern culture. By embracing their shared values of respect, empathy, and open mindedness, we can bridge the gaps that divide us and learn from each other. Together, we can build bridge of cultural exchange, fostering unity and appreciation for the diverse tapestry of our global society. The comparison and contrast between Western and Eastern cultures offer valuable insight into the diverse ways people live, think, and interact. Western cultures, influenced by history's tradition and beliefs, prioritize individualism, personal achievement, and freedom of expression. It values progress, innovation, and competitive spirit. On the other hand, Asian culture found in countries like India, Korea, China, Japan emphasize collectivism, respect for authority, and community harmony. Both cultures share similarities such as education, unique art forms, and appreciation for delicious food. The comparison and contrast between Western and Eastern culture arise from the curiosity to understand and appreciate different ways of life. The cultural traditions have evolved separately over time, each shaped by its unique historical, social, and geographical context. By examining the differences and similarities, we gain a broader understanding of human diversity and foster cross-cultural communication. So in this video, I will discuss the philosophies of Eastern and Western cultures and the potential of harmonizing them. Eastern philosophies such as Confucianism, Taoism, and Buddhism emphasize social harmony, respect for elders, and moral character. Based on the book with the title Taoism, the Stanford Encyclopedia of Philosophy, which is I have read about that, Taoism promotes living in harmony with nature, simplicity, and balance, while Buddhism teaches compassion, mindfulness, and the pursuit of enlightenment. On the other hand, Western culture is shaped by philosophies like humanism, rationalism, and existentialism, which focus on individual freedom to personal fulfillment. To harmonize Eastern and Western culture, it is essential to recognize and appreciate the strength of each philosophy, integrating social harmony and respect from Eastern philosophies with individual freedom and personal fulfillment from Western philosophies can create a more holistic and balanced approach to life. So, common values such as compassion, respect, justice, and universal and can serve as foundation for collaboration and mutual respect between Eastern and Western culture. Emphasizing these shared values can help us find common ground and work together towards a more harmonious world. In conclusion, the philosophies of both Eastern and Western cultures offer valuable insight and wisdom by embracing the strengths of each tradition, fostering intercultural understanding, and emphasizing shared values, we can create a more inclusive and diverse global society. Let us celebrate our differences, seek common ground, and work together toward a more harmonious world. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for attention. Thank you, everyone.